Hey y'all, hope you enjoy this vlog of me visiting some goats and cows. Wish I got more shots of the cows, but I didn't think of it until it was too late. But the goats were super cute and I had to pet them. Unfortunately, the one just kept chasing the others away, so I only got to pet him, but he was cute. New Jersey vlog coming in the next few days. I've got a lot of footage to edit, and then it'll go up. I got to pet that cow way over there. Watch, I got the video on and they'll stop.
Here comes. Fight over a woman.
Right before